What's something that you're particularly proud of, and what do you think contributed to its success?
Yeah, it's a great question. One of the ones that come to mind is the site that I was leading last in manufacturing. Had an amazing transformation, and walking into that role with the team, several of the core metrics that we had were below target, and the site was in real need of turnaround in many areas. And the key success that I've seen with that site, and that I had the privilege to lead, was around going after the root causes of all these various problems and bringing the people in the workforce along for the journey in both establishing the vision, understanding the root causes, and then ultimately aligning on a roadmap to get us to where we are, best in class. And really awesome to see over the course of a 5-year journey how much has changed for the better, and how much it's sustaining.